Today's lesson is on percents and decimals. First, we're going to look at writing percents as decimals. So for number 1, we have 24%. Percents are always out of 100. So first, we're going to write this as a fraction. We have 24 out of 100. A fraction represents division, so this would be 24 divided by 100. When we divide by 100, that's the same as moving our decimal 2 places to the left. So we'll start with our 24, and our decimal would be at the end since we don't have one, and we want to move it 2 places to the left. So 1, 2, puts it in front of the 2, so we have 0.24, or we read this as 24 hundredths. For number 2, we have 107%. Percents are always out of 100, so that'd be 107 over 100. So you can see once again we are dividing by 100, and when we divide by 100, that's the same as moving our decimal 2 places to the left. So we'll start with our 107. Our decimal would be at the end, so behind the 7, and we want to move it 2 places to the left. So 1, 2. That puts our decimal between the 1 and the 0. So we have 1.07, or 1 7/100. And for number 3, we have 7%. Percents are always out of 100, so we have 7 over 100. You can see again that we are dividing by 100, and when we divide by 100, we move our decimal 2 places to the left. So we start with our 7. Our decimal would be at the end, so behind the 7, and we move it 2 places to the left. So 1, 2, and now in this space here, we're going to put a 0. So this answer would be 0.07, or 7/100. Now we're going to look at writing decimals as percents. So we're doing the opposite of what we just did. In the previous problems, we were dividing by 100, which means we were moving our decimal 2 places to the left. Now in these problems, we're going to multiply by 100, which means we are moving our decimal 2 places to the right. So for number 4, we have 0.94, or 94 hundredths. We're going to go ahead and start where our decimal is at, and we're moving it 2 places to the right. So 1, 2, and now it's behind the 4. That would then be 94%. For number 5, we have 0.316, or 316 thousandths. We'll start where our decimal is currently located, and we move it 2 places to the right. This puts our decimal between the 1 and 6. So we have 31.6%. And for number 6, we have 1.8, or 1 8/10. So again, we'll start where our decimal is currently located, and we move it 2 places to the right. 1, 2. Now in this space we had a 0, so that gives us 180%.